how to add LinkedIn to Microsoft Authenticator. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you add LinkedIn to Microsoft Authenticator. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open the Microsoft Authenticator app. So simply you have to open it and simply log in with your password here. Alright, so from here you'll have to tap on this add account option, and now from here you'll have to choose other accounts, so which will be like Google, Facebook, etc. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to go the options like enter code manually. Okay, so from here you'll have to give account name and secret key. So account name will be like linkedin.com, and now on the security key you will have to add a secret key for that. So I will add something here, and now after that you'll have to tap on that finish. So simply tap on it. So like you can see, I have successfully added LinkedIn to Microsoft Authenticator app. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.